Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 1, topic number 3.1, the Reign of Terror. The Reign of Terror started in the year 1793 and it continued till 1794. So this period was known as the Reign of Terror. Now, who had started this reign of terror? That was initiated, or we can say started by Maximilian Robespierre. He was the leader of the Jacobin Club that we studied in our previous topic, Jacobin Club. So he was the leader of Jacobin Club. Now he had followed, after he had assumed to power, he had started following a policy of severe control and punishment, because he wanted to keep the government, keep the country under his control, and he did not want any kind of dissent. So he had started punishing the people who went against him. So he considered the people who were the enemies of republic, and he would punish those people. Now, who were the enemies of republic? They were the ex-nobles, clergy, members of political parties, and the members of his party, his political party, who would go against him or who would criticize him. So those people he considered to be the enemies of his republic. And as a result, he used to punish them, and that punishment was deadly. First, he would arrest them, then those people would be imprisoned, and they would be tried by a tribunal, okay? And if the tribunal would find them guilty, then they would be given death sentence or they would be guillotined. Now, what is that guillotine? Guillotine is a kind of punishment, it's a process of punishment that he used to give to those enemies. That means he would behead them. Now, why it is called guillotine? This is called guillotine because the people used to be punished or beheaded with the help of a device that was made of two poles, and that was invented by Dr. Guillotine. You must have seen how animals are sacrificed in the temples, or you must have seen how people, movies, in some movies or some documentaries, how Talibanis, they used to divide, like behead the people. But this is the modern way. In those days, that was a device which would be made of two poles, two wooden poles, and then like the people would be and that device was invented by Dr. Guillotine, okay? And with that device, he used to behead the people. So that was a kind of punishment where people were, given the death sentence or were, killed. Now, this is how he had created a kind of terror among the people, a kind of awe. People were scared of this kind of policy that he had adopted. Now, this was his harsh side, but apart from that, he had also come up with various reforms. His government had come up with various reforms, and for that, he had issued laws on that maximum ceiling on wages and prices would be fixed. He had fixed the wages of the laborers and the workers, and he had also fixed the prices of the food or essential items. That was a kind of reform he had started with. Apart from that, he had started rationing of meat and bread, like he would distribute that in a particular manner so that everybody gets that bread and food, meat. And then the peasants, like the peasants were also allowed to take their products to the cities where they would sell them, but they had to sell their products at a fixed price, and that price would be decided by the government. Sometimes the peasant had to suffer because whatever price the government had fixed, that would not fetch them any kind of profit, right? So the peasants, they were literally suffering, and this is how he started forcing the peasants to sell the goods at a fixed price. And then the expensive flour, that is wheat flour, was forbidden, and all the citizens had to consume the equality bread. All the citizens had to eat the pain de galite, that is equality bread, which was a loaf made of whole wheat. So this was what he had introduced, and not only that, he tried to maintain equality in speech and in the forms of address. Like, instead of traditional way of addressing that the French used to address to male and female, like monsieur and madame, he had changed that into sir and madam. Okay, not only that, all the French men and women were also addressed as, called as, citoyen and citoyenne, that is the citizen. So this is how he tried to bring equality among the French citizens, and he had also tried to control the power of the churches. So what he did, he had shut down all the churches, and he had converted the buildings of the churches into barracks, okay, where he would post the military, and then he would convert them into offices as well. So these were the policies which he had started, he had adopted, and his policies were too harsh to follow. Even his party members, even his followers, like he had, they found it very difficult to follow his policies. So the policies that he had pursued so relentlessly, his supporters wanted them to change. They demanded that some moderation should be there in his policies. So when he did not listen to that, there was resentment amongst his followers, and they demanded for moderation. But he had not given any attention to that. So finally he was convicted by a court in 1794, and he was arrested, and the next day he was sent to Gallatin. That means he was Gallatin. He was dead. So this is how his era, that is reign of terror, had come to an end. So this is the topic, the explanation of this topic, the reign of terror. Now let us come to the part of the question that we need to do for this part. Question number 1 is that, for short question, which period is called reign of terror? That is 1 mark question. You will write from the first line, that is period from 1793 to 1794 is called as the reign of terror, as a period of reign of terror. And then next question that you write is that explain the policy of severe control and punishment adopted by Robespierre. I repeat, explain the policy of severe control and punishment adopted by Robespierre. So you will write the answer from here. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. This is your introduction. And then you will write point number 1 from here. All those whom, from there till you will write who invented it. So out of this paragraph, you are going to make 3 points of this. Is that clear? So that will be 3 points from here, all those till who invented it. Next question is that next from the next para, you will make few more points, like you will write from this part that he issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices from there till barracks or offices. From here also, all total you will be making 5 points for this question. So this can also be written in another way. Another question might come for this paragraph is that write a short note on reign of terror. So all these you have to write in 5 points. That means all those whom he saw from their barracks or offices, all you have to make 5 points. So this is one question, two questions I have given you. One is for short question, another is for the long question, that is 5 marks question. Thank you.